Good morning all of you. I welcome you to this channel. Private Syllabus Part 2. The Scout or Guide Law. In the previous section we have seen Promise. Now we are going to see Scout or Guide Law. Already we know that law is one. Law is one, but points are 9. There are 9 points in Scout or Guide Law which are as follows. The first point, a scout or guide is trustworthy. A scout or guide is loyal. A scout or guide is a friend to all and a brother or sister to every other scout or guide. That is, guide is a friend to all and sister to every other guide. A scout is a friend to all and brother to every other scout. Fourth point, a scout or guide is courteous. Fifth point, a scout or guide is a friend to animals and loves nature. Sixth point, a scout or guide is disciplined and helps protect public property. Seventh point, a scout or guide is courageous. Eighth point, a scout or guide is thrifty. Ninth point, a scout or guide is pure in thought, word and deed. That is, 9 points are there. You should not make any spelling mistake or grammatical mistake. You have to write these 9 points in the same way. Should not disorder. Should not change the number. That is 8th point to the 4th point and 4th point to the 9th point. Not like that. In the same order, in the same manner, you have to learn and write. In the training, test camp or training camp, they may ask you in the oral test are asked to say, what is the 7th point of law? What is the 4th point of law? So in such a case, you should know to say. So without changing the number, you have to learn. Note, in the place of scout or guide, scouts are asked to use scout and guides are asked to use guide. For example, a scout is trustworthy, a guide is thrifty. Now, one by one we are going to see the explanation. The first point is trustworthy. What do you mean by trustworthy? Trustworthy means be honest and truthful. See this picture. The scout, this boy, got a purse. But now he is in a poor condition. He is in need of money. But he did not take even a single paise from his purse and he returns the purse to him voluntarily. Sir, it is yours, please take. So that is called trustworthy. And one another example, see, the friends and parents, teachers, principal, HM, school, all are thinking that this boy should come first in his speech competition. Meanwhile, when he is getting ready, friends are calling him to chat. He is very interested to chat with the people, with the friends. But now, what is his situation? He has to get ready for his speech competition. So, all are having some trust on him. So, he should behave as a trustworthy. I think so. You may understood what is the meaning of trustworthy. Second point is loyal. A scout or guide is loyal to God and country, to her family and friends, to those who serve and to those whom she serves. Okay, that is, so many examples are in the history. One example we are going to see. The lady is Panna. He is her own son. But when that is, prince is in very dangerous position, that is going to be killed by some other. So now what did she do? In that position, Panna made her own son like a prince and asked him to lie on the cot in front of her, the people come and killed him. But killed means, in other words, we can say that she, Panna, sacrificed her son towards the nation. And next, she hiding the prince in the Jalaiva leaves in the basket and she protect the prince. At any moment, suppose she should be loyal. Okay, that is called loyal. So many examples are in the history. So at any reason, she or he should not change their affection towards the country or family or belongs to anyone. Next, friend to all. No, not only by the name, but meaningful friend should be there. Friendship should be there. Friend to all and brother or sister to every other scout or guide. This is very clear. So I don't want to explain. You can understand. Now we will move to the fourth point. Courteous. Courteous means show your hospitality and consideration without status, that is senior, junior or equal to you. So we should not see any reason what is their status. See, wishes for all. He has to, with lovely words, he has to wish or he has to wish. And honoring, good morning, wishing, I will help you and I am sorry, by these words, because scout or guide is courteous. She know, that is in English they will say give respect and take respect. That is called courteous. Okay, give respect. If you give respect to others, then you are the right person to get respect from others. Fifth point, friend to animals and loves nature. Yes, you know, the picture shown clearly, we have to behave to all the animals as a friends and we have to love nature. See the picture, if the boy cut the tree, what about the position of the bird? This is the living place. Residency of this tree is the residency of this bird. So you think over just. So now if you take a while to think, surely you will love nature. So you have to love nature. Then sixth point, disciplined. Yes, they have to obey to their elders. They may be a master or elders or grandpa, grandma. See, in the family. So she or he should be maintaining discipline. Next, helps protect public property. Helps protect public property. Public property, what is the meaning of public property? School, worship places, and the garden or park, and the pond area. So, he or she should know how to protect the public property. Next point, courageous. You are required to develop your strength of character and courage in heart. Your example at the time of difficulties will inspire others. So you want to become a courageous boy or girl, you should learn so many martial art are there. That is judo, what is that, silambam, so many things are there. Okay, taekwondo, kung fu, karate, likewise you have to take part. You should learn in the childhood. And you have to take part in the trekking and you should go for nature observation in a group way. So being a scout or guide, your age limit is 10 to 14 or 15 years. So in this age, you have to go with friends and you have to observe the nature. So by this way, you will become courageous boy or girl. Eighth point, thrifty. You should value the property and time of others as yours. You should value the property and time of others as yours. Being thrifty is to be practiced in using and save the wealth of country like the natural resources, water, petrol, and use of electricity. What do you mean by value the property and time of others as yours? Suppose it is your own property, now how do you behave with that? Like that, others' property also you have to think over. Now, our natural resources like water, petrol, and electricity are the wealth of our nation. These three wealth of our nation. So we should be thrifty when we are using this water, petrol, and electricity. Should not waste the water. And we have to, first we should follow, and we have to teach others in the school, to the friends and the family members. And if time permits, you can use cycle, so you can save the petrol and the electricity unnecessarily in all the rooms or more than one room. If we use light, fan, this is called waste of electricity. So you know what do you mean by thrifty. Is clear, no? Yes. Let us go to ninth point. Ninth point is pure in thought, word, and deed. Pure in thought, word, and deed. How can we follow? So far we have seen 8 points. If you follow that 8 points in our life, how? By thought, by words, and by our work. We have to follow. If we learn or understand or realize, that is not only enough. We have to follow in our life. That is called pure in thought, word, and deed. We have to follow. We have to change our life as per above said 8 points. The ninth point of law of ours is the basis on which you stand and live the life of a scout or guide. This should help you to take scouting or guiding to a new height. As a courteous boy or girl, you should be modest. Your trustworthiness and your sense of loyalty will always keep your thoughts pure. Your pure heart should generate purity in all your thoughts, words, and deeds. Okay? So, as a conclusion, there is only one law, but points are 9. If we read or understand only this, it is not enough. We have to try to follow in our life, then we will be shineful in our life. Okay, thank you. Yes. Thank you. We will meet in the next class. Bye.